Hey, welcome to Merge at Home. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for blackened salmon. First, you want to start off with 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of basil, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a 1/2 cup of melted butter. You're going to go ahead and take your melted butter. You're going to go ahead and brush it on the salmon. And then you want to flip the salmon and do the exact same thing again on the other side. Once you're done with the butter, you want to go ahead and add all your spices. Okay, then we're just going to stir them all together. Okay, once you're finished stirring them, you want to go ahead and just take the spice. You want to put it on top of the salmon, but you want to make sure that you're patting it into the salmon. Okay. You're going to do that with each piece. And once you're done with one side, you're going to flip it and do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so once both sides have been seasoned, they're going to be ready to cook. Make sure that you pat the seasonings into the salmon. You're going to go ahead and add the remainder of your butter and the olive oil. Go ahead and add the salmon. So you want to cook each side about 5 minutes or so. You want to go ahead and flip it. After about cooking 5 minutes on each side, your salmon should be done. The salmon is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy, and please subscribe.